Hi, Papa. Okay, we're going away. Our first little getaway as a family of 4. Babies are not happy about it. Well, I've been up since 5:30 trying to get everything ready. They are overtired. You should see the amount of crap that we have for our little getaway. We're only going away for 4 nights. Yeah, we are fully loaded. We need to hit the road because it's sleep time and we need to start traveling as well.
I feel like we've run a marathon already. It's 10 a.m. We're finally leaving. There's a double pram, a massive suitcase for Nicole and the babies. I've got a little night bag in there somewhere with my stuff. This is a beach trolley. We've got beach things for the babies and baking things for their first birthday, which is what we're basically celebrating. We've got an esky. It's our second esky. We've got another esky at the back. I've got a surfboard bag with wetsuits and board shorts. We've got bumbos for the babies to sit in. We've got random groceries packed in there. We've got our own pillows because you've got to take your own pillow. And then we've got a sad baby, Ivy. Bubba, it's all right. We've got porta cots shoved in behind the front car seats. We've got Remy. Hey, Bubba. It's your sleep time, both of you, isn't it? It's bedtime. It's time to go.
We made it, yay, so excited. 1 baby here, 1 baby. We need to find Remy. Wait. What are you doing? Mate, what are you doing, you cheeky boy? Come here. You want to go up the stairs, but you're not allowed. That's not for you, buddy. No. We're super excited. The babies were amazing in the car. It was a pretty long trip, but we broke it up, met some friends along the way for lunch, and then kept driving. When we booked it, like, the photos look nice, but now it's like really epic. We're like, oh.
Did everyone hear Ivy's burp? Oh my God, baby. Come here, Daddy's going to pick you up. Yeah. Come here. How do I do it one-handed? Oh, there we go.
So we're really happy. The place is way bigger than we thought and it's a lot more modern as well. So yeah, we just put some toys down there for the babies to play with. I have been, oh, watch out for the baby bottle. I've been just trying to get all of the stuff from the esky into the fridge, get all of the stuff for the babies organized, all of their food and prep, and then unstack all of the stuff for the pantry, which is done, all of their baby stuff and a few bits and pieces for us as well. I'm actually gonna have a cup of tea now. I've made one, but I haven't had any yet. And then we're gonna go have a little explore, maybe check out the surf and the beach and get something to eat for dinner. Baby's first trip to the supermarket. Since they've been born, we've had groceries delivered.
What's up, pumpkin? You never touched a pumpkin, have you? Remy, what cheese, buddy? We're in the ice cream aisle, the best aisle in the supermarket. Let's have a look. Here we go. I'm a white chocolate guy. Oh my God. Snickers white chocolate ice cream. Kit Kat. Caramel, be delicious. I'm getting these. Snickers white chocolate in the trolley.
I almost forgot we need to get them some baby food. We have stuff at home, but we need more. Even though I spent hours and hours prepping their food yesterday, making purees and finger food and all that kind of stuff, I still need to get them some pouches. They're just really good to have on the go. I buy them the organic ones and they're super delicious. Babies just love them and they eat so much at the moment as well. Okay. Our quick run into the supermarket took about an hour. So anyways, we distracted them with some apples, which they've bitten into. And it's time to go home. It's baby's dinner time.
Most importantly though, we have beer.
Woohoo! All right, we found our little courtyard, our outdoor area, which is super cute and the babies are gonna love. So yeah, we're gonna get settled soon. And once we're done, we'll take you through their sleep situation and what we packed for our twinnies.
What do you got, baby? Hey, you got both comforters. Hmm?
So cute.
Oh, he's a tiger.
Remy just wants to be free.
He's a caged tiger.
A caged tiger. He wants to go exploring.
Day 2 of the family holiday. We got through the first night just.
The babies did pretty well, actually.
What's for brekkie, guys?
They've got quite the smorgasbord going on. So they've had some fresh raspberries, banana. They've got little bits of toast and some scrambled eggs. I'm giving them some porridge now and they're about to have a pouch as well. They eat so much.
That's better than my breakfast. I'm having Vegemite on toast. I'm gonna go for a surf, leave these guys for an hour or two. And what's on the menu today? Take the babies to the beach.
Babies to the beach, and maybe we can go for lunch somewhere. That'd be nice.
Lunch? You and me?
Lunch or dinner. And the babies.
And the babies.
Of course. We're off. It's a cute little ocean town. There's not much to it, but there is more than we need. Oh, and by the way, apparently there was a huge carpet python snake out here. Shan found it on his way home from picking up some dinner for us, and he said, did I want to see it? And I was like, no, absolutely not. I think I have a phobia of snakes.
They won't hurt you. What coffee have you got?
This is a small caramel latte.
I got an oat milk mocha.
I am kind of annoyed though. I should have got an iced latte because it's so hot. But there's always tomorrow, right?
Yeah, unless you want to do 2 in a day.
No. So plan is after coffee, we're gonna go home, get these guys settled again, let them have a little nap. It's almost 10 a.m. so time for their first nap of the day. They're currently on 2 naps. Last night went pretty well actually. They protested for about half an hour. They were just really scared in the new room, so they were a bit unsure, so we just kept reassuring them it was okay. So just a few extra tummy pats and bum pats for the big boy.
Oh yeah, what's for lunch?
Just finishing up some sangers, Aussie word for sandwiches. Got some random bits and pieces here, so just some salami, cheese, tomato, lettuce, and some veggie lentil balls, and then got lunch prep for the babies, and we've got to go wake them up because they've been sleeping a bit too long now. We don't want to eat into their afternoon nap. We'll show you their sleep setup as well. Babies, babies, time to wake up from your lovely morning nap. Yeah, time to wake up now.
Hey buddy.
Hey.
Hey Bubba.
We're really stoked on these porta cots actually. They popped up super easy. Oh.
He's up and ready to go. Whoa, buddy.
Mate, are
Hey,
you ready
mate.
for the day?
Dude.
What? That's your dummy.
Oh, baby
chicken.
girl.
Well, you're not ready to wake up, darling.
Yeah, you got to get up and come play. It's playtime.
All right, sweetheart.
Come on.
Sorry, excuse the white noise.
Yeah, so annoying.
They popped up really easily. We set them up super quick, which was good because when we got here, the babies were just tired and they wanted to get into bed. They were really compact as well in the car. So we brought our Cubo monitor from home as well because it's got the rain noise that we put on for the babies. We also brought their little diffuser as well with their red night light, just so that we had a few things from home that were similar.
And we woke them up now because we want them to sleep longer this afternoon so we can have a nap. Because if they sleep too long now, they won't sleep much this afternoon. Isn't that right?
That's right.
That's the plan. There's always a plan. It doesn't always go to plan. All right, lunchtime.
Lunchtime for the babies.
What do we got?
We've got some roast zucchini, sweet potato and pumpkin, and some steamed broccoli. Most of this is probably going to end up on the floor. Some shredded chicken, some zucchini lentil balls. So it's all happening.
Wow, you guys eat well, hey?
And this is just their finger food. I've got some wheat bix here with some Greek yogurt and peanut butter and formula. And then I've got a pouch for them as well.
Not sure, buddy. Broccoli's good, mate. Plenty of iron. Well, it's nice to be on holidays for the first time. Yeah, we're about to go to the beach. We're going to finish lunch. It's 1 p.m. 30-degree day, super hot. We'll go down to the water's edge and play in the salty water on the sand and see how they like it. And come back and they'll go to bed. All right, as expected, Remy and Ivy don't really want to sit in the cart. They want to stand.
This beach cart needs seatbelts. Seriously.
The wind is blowing a gale. There's massive storm clouds above us. Well, better let this lady go. After you. Thank you. You stuck? Dude.
Come here, you cheeky.
What are you doing, mate?
You want Daddy's camera. You
You can't have it. You can't have it.
No, that's not for babies. So yeah, we survived night 2. Yay, didn't we? Yesterday afternoon was a bit of a mess. The babies just refused to go down for their afternoon sleep. Yeah, really unsure of their new sleep environment, so they're still just getting settled.
You're getting attacked.
Ivy's going to attack the camera.
No, baby, you can't have it. Yes, Nana's coming today.
Nana's coming today.
Nana's coming today.
And so, yeah, it's already 12 o'clock here, which is crazy. We're going to go get another coffee, or our coffee for the day. Dad's first coffee. And yeah, then we'll come back and give the baby some lunch. And this afternoon, tonight, I need to start baking their birthday cake, which I'm really excited for tomorrow, because the babies are 1 tomorrow. Whee!
Where are we going tonight?
Surf club.
Oh,
And my parents are on their way down, which will be awesome. They're coming with.
Yeah. Thanks, Nana and Granddad. Save us. Just kidding.
Just finishing off an afternoon tea. It's gone cold. Parents will know what's up. And now we're actually about to set up one of their first birthday presents. Super exciting. We're going to set it up now.
All right, here is the gift. Babies, we've got a present for you. Come on.
Audience.
Go, Remy. It's a play tent and tunnel. Remy, Ivy, come and get your first birthday present. Ready? Oh, look at this. Look. Peekaboo. All right, there's one missing part. Who could have it?
Remy.
Hey, buddy, can Dad have that? Wow, buddy. What's in there, mate? Hey, mate. Come on. Ivy. Come on. Go to Daddy. Good girl. Ah, well done, baby. All right, so far, so good. Oh, they're both coming. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Peekaboo. What do you got, buddy? You trying to catch a fly? Any luck?
I'm so excited. The twinnies are out for a walk with their grandparents, so it's time to make their birthday cakes for tomorrow. I'm going to make them one each, and I'm going to be doing them a vanilla oat cake. It's called a smash cake because the babies literally just smash it all up. I'm really excited to make these cakes. I got to get them into the oven pretty quick because they are out and I have no idea what time they're going to be back. We'll show you the end result tomorrow and them enjoying their very first birthday cakes. It's going to be really cute. We've just done a cute little setup here for the babies, giving them some of their presents to have a play with and set up their cakes. So we're just gonna light that in a second and let them enjoy their cakes and smash into it when the candles are out. We did it! Yay! We've survived our first family holiday and had an awesome time for the baby's first birthday. Holidays with babies or little ones aren't really holidays anymore. They're just kind of trips away from home. But it's been awesome to still be here and have some time to do some things that we wouldn't normally do, like have an ocean swim or go for a surf.
Yeah, and it's nice to just see the babies experience new things and see new places and have a lot of fun as well. So stoked on that, and they had a good time, which means we had a good time.
Yeah.
Even if you're still a bit tired, but we
Yeah.
did have some help from your parents. So
Yeah.
hot tip, if you're going away with your babies or baby and your grandparents offer to come,
Say yes.
say yes. You need the help, it's worth it.
Yeah, we've literally been packing all morning. Like all 4 of us have, either been helping with the babies or packing, and the car is full to the brim again. But yeah, it's been great to have the extra support because we needed it. And yeah, the trip home is about 3 hours, so it's their nap time now. So they're going to sleep in the car. We will have to stop on the way home, just give them a snack and something to eat, and then we'll keep going. And
Yep.
That's it from us.
That's it from us. Thanks for joining us. And if you like this sort of vloggy content with parenthood and twin things, just drop us a like or a comment. We'll try and do more of it.
Bye.